Are you looking for the best full tower PC cases in 2024? Look no further. We've rounded up the top contenders for your next build. First up, the Antec Performance 1 FT. This case boasts a spacious interior, excellent cable management, and a sleek design that will make your build stand out. Next, we have the Thermaltake CTEC750TG ARGB. This case features a tempered glass panel, customizable RGB lighting, and a unique vertical GPU mount for a truly eye-catching build. 3. Phanteks NV7. For those who prioritize airflow, the Phanteks NV7 is a top choice. With a mesh front panel and multiple fan mounts, this case will keep your components cool and running smoothly. 4. Lian Li11 Dynamic Evo XL. If you're looking for a case with plenty of room for customization, the Lian Li11 Dynamic Evo XL is a great option. With support for multiple radiators and a modular design, this case can accommodate even the most ambitious builds. 5. ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701. Narrator. Last but not least, we have the ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701. This case features a unique design with a built-in OLED display, customizable RGB lighting, and plenty of room for high-end components. Whether you prioritize design, airflow, or customization, these full tower PC cases have something for everyone. Which one will you choose for your next build?